problem for today. I'm going to read it out loud, and I want you to solve it on your board. Mark has 14 crayons. 8 of the crayons are on the table, and some more crayons are in the box. How many crayons are in the box? Tell your partner how you know. Explain what you did in your picture, in your drawing. So the first thing we do is we read the problem. So let's all read the problem together.
Mark has 14 crayons.
And then our next step, and so many people did a great job with this, is to draw. We try to draw something from the story. We draw what we hear and know from the story. Can you come up and show us what you were drawing?
I drew 14 and then made 14 crayons.
Excellent. So you used the first sentence and drew a picture to show what you know from the story. And what did you draw?
I draw 14 crayons and then I crossed off 8 and then I saw 6 and then that was my answer.
The third thing we do is to write a number sentence, and then we write our word sentence. Excellent.
And share.
So,
And put them in the box.
did you all draw the same exact way? Were all of those drawings exactly the same? No, not really, were they?
Well, they can be, but they were all drawn as used for different ways.
Okay. And can you still get to the same answer?
Yeah.
Let's read each sentence and see if we can find in our picture each part. Mark has 14 crayons. Use your finger and circle with your finger where you see the 14 crayons in your drawing. Let's read the next sentence and see if we can find them in your drawing. 8 of the crayons are on the table. Can you find the 8 crayons on the table in your drawing? Are we going to be adding 8 more crayons?
No.
Or are the 8 crayons a part of the 14? A part of the 14. So let's look inside your 14 and find our 8. How can I remember which part this is?
Draw the table.
Draw the table? That would take me a long time.
Draw the number under it.
I could draw the number under it?
Or you got a write T. Do T.
Mrs. Martin, please go to the computer lab. Thank you.
Make a T inside your circle.
And I can also do what?
A label.
I can put a label. Let's put a T. I saw a lot of kids that thought about putting a T.
I wrote table.
8 of the crayons are on the table. Let's find the other part in our drawing. And some more crayons are in the box. With your finger, find that part in your drawing. Fingers pointing. These crayons are in the box. What should we do?
Put the B. Put the B. Put the B.
Excellent. So we've now read, we drew, we have to write our number sentence. Who can give us this word sentence, this statement that answers the question, how many crayons are in the box?
There are 6 in the box.
There are 6 pennies in the box?
Pennies in the box?
There are 6.
Man.
Check your work. Did you write a number sentence and write a statement? If you did not, this is a good time to add it. Let's go back to our seats and have a chance to try some more of them ourselves.
There were 5 yellow crumbs in here. That's 5, and then here the rest. That's red. That's 6, and then it said how many red crumbs did she eat, and 11 plums she ate.
How many red plums?
She ate six red plums. So so they make circles so they can know.
Oh, circle so you could know the two parts?
Yeah.
How does drawing help us with our word problems?
Helps us figure out.
So we can figure out what the answer is. It helps us figure out parts of the question.
It puts her in having to figure everything out from that moment. Because then sometimes we interpret other things.
Right, and that's what we were talking about, right? That sometimes when we try and think of all of the sentences at once, our brain can jumble them up. But if we draw, it gives our brains a chance to think about each part of the story together. What's the name of this strategy?
RDW.
Everyone, what are the letters?
RDW.
Tomorrow we'll try more of them, okay?
Yeah.